5 items to avoid using in your oven. Glass dishes. Using glass dishes in the oven may seem like a given, but not all glass is suitable for this purpose. Unless the dish is specifically labeled as oven-safe, like Pyrex, it's best to exercise caution. Even oven-safe glass dishes that are chipped or damaged can break when exposed to temperature changes. It would be better to use ceramic, as a lot of ceramics are suitable for up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Pot holders. Even though oven mitts and pot holders are intended to be heat resistant to a specific degree, they should not be left inside the oven. Waxed paper. Although this paper is resistant to water and sticking, it is not suitable for high heat. It has a tendency to melt and damage your cookware, and also create smoke in the kitchen. Waxed paper, which consists of a roll of paper coated in a very thin layer of paraffin wax, can be used for various purposes. However, it is not appropriate to use it to heat food in an oven. Paper plates. Paper plates have the ability to catch on fire. Even if they have a plastic coating on them, it is not worth the risk. Do not use paper towels either, as they also have a risk of catching on fire. Plastic containers. Plastic containers also contain harmful chemicals, and even if they don't melt, they might release these chemicals into your food. So, it's advisable to check the label to ensure that the container is safe for use in an oven. Unless a plastic indicates that it is safe to use in the oven, it is best to avoid cooking in the oven using plastic containers. So what kind of paper can you actually put in your oven? Parchment paper. Parchment paper is specially designed for baking and can be used in the oven. Unlike other types of paper, it is non-stick, grease-resistant and moisture-resistant, and has been treated with silicone to make it safe for use in ovens. It is not to be confused with waxed paper and is the only exception to the rule of not using paper in the oven. Parchment paper is great for cooking brownies, cookies, or certain cakes. Or even cooking something like a fish fillet using spices. It would be great for steaming or baking without the need for using oil or butter. That's the end. Thank you for watching the video.